When was the last time you watched a lunar or a solar eclipse? You might have an idea about the rare nature of eclipses, but I'm pretty sure that you might not have done the math behind it. Some eclipses are rare, like royal flushes, that people find satisfaction and happiness in being able to observe it. According to NASA, the average duration between two solar eclipses is about 5 months. If you were to miss one today, not knowing its beauty and working, then you would have to wait another 5 months, and your chances of surviving that 5 months is 99.5%, but not definite. So these eclipses are truly beautiful working of the universe, and knowing how it works would be priceless knowledge. That is what I'm going to give to you guys today. Of the two major eclipses, the first one is the solar eclipse. Solar eclipse happens when the moon comes between the earth and the sun. Well, that does happen a lot of times. We have seen moon in the day sky, and it is because it is between the earth and the sun. But sometimes the moon comes in between the earth and the sun in such a way that they are almost in a straight line. During the solar eclipse, the moon is between the earth and the sun in such a reason that the moon creates a shadow on the earth. It is from this shadow region that you can observe the eclipse. To make it simpler to picture, think of it like the earth and the sun playing hide and seek. And the sun is hiding behind a tree, which will be the moon, and the earth is looking at the tree, the moon. But you cannot see the sun, which is behind the tree. Now, if the sun is completely hidden by the moon, then it will be a total solar eclipse. Else it will be a partial solar eclipse. Another important thing is that you have to be in daytime to observe this. No people in the night sky can observe solar eclipses. Now the lunar eclipse is also same like playing hide and seek, but now it is someone else's turn to hide. The other eclipse is lunar eclipse. Lunar eclipse takes place when the earth comes in between the moon and the sun. We know that moon does not have its own light, so it reflects the light of the sun. So when the earth comes in between the moon and the sun and creates a shadow of itself over the moon, the shadow does not let any light over the moon, and hence the moon cannot reflect any light. Therefore it will not be visible to us anymore. The conditions are similar, that all these celestial bodies have to be aligned in a straight line. In this case, it is like the moon is hiding from the sun behind the earth. The moon's visibility is based on if it is hidden partially or fully. If the earth's shadow completely hides the moon, then it is a total lunar eclipse, else it is a partial lunar eclipse. Unlike the solar eclipse, lunar eclipse is a nocturnal event. Now, if you were to happen to be on the moon during a lunar eclipse under the earth's shadow, then you could actually be looking at a solar eclipse from the moon due to the earth. How many people have been able to observe that? Maybe only aliens? It should be clear how the solar eclipses work and how the lunar eclipses work. Now, you have one of the priceless knowledge of the universe. If ever technology takes a revolutionary turn, space exploration and inhabitation becomes true, and you go to visit your grandchildren in Mars, you could explain this exact same thing regarding how eclipses work in Mars. Thank you.